Today I had to take Lizzie, our bearded dragon, to the veterinary hospital. He hasn't had a bowel movement in days and isn't using his back legs to walk. TW, the next clips show injured animal and
His eyes on me. It's like you did this. I did. I feel like we've got something. Yep.
Yes.
Success. Oh, it's a nice.
the vet was able to make Lizzie have a bowel movement, and they think he hurt his back. They prescribed him an anti-inflammatory pain medicine, and hopefully with time and rest he will heal.